Hello all, welcome to the day 48 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. Area of a triangle whose vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is given by the determinant half times determinant value of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1, x3, y3, 1. Since area is a positive quantity, so we always take the absolute value of the determinant. Also, the area of the triangle formed by the three collinear points is 0. Question 1. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are -2, 6, 3, -6 and 1, 5. Half times determinant of -2, 6, 1, 3, -6, 1, 1, 5, 1, which is half times the absolute value of the determinant -2 times -6 minus 5 -6 times 3 minus 1 plus 1 times 15 minus 6, which is half times 22 minus 12 plus 21, which is 31 by 2, that is 15.5 square units. Question 2. If the points 2, -3, k, -1 and 0, 4 are collinear, then find the value of 4k. So 3 points are given. Those 3 points are collinear. That is, the area formed by these 3 points is equal to 0. Area is equal to 0 half times absolute value of the determinant of 2 minus 3 1, k -1 1, 0 4 1 is equal to 0. The half goes on the other side, it becomes 0. So the determinant value is 2 times -1 minus 4 minus of -3 times k minus 0 plus 1 times 4k minus 0, which is minus 10 plus 3k plus 4k is 0. 7k is 10, k is 10 by 7. We have to calculate the value for 4k. 4k is 4 times 10 by 7, which is 40 by 7. Question number 3. If the area of triangle ABC with vertices A 1, 3, B 0, 0 and C k, 0 is 3 square units, then find the value of k. The vertices are A 1, 3, B 0, 0 and C k, 0. The area formed by the points ABC is given as 3 square units. That is half the determinant of 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, 1, k, 0, 1 is equal to plus or minus 3. Transposing half, the right side becomes plus or minus 6. The determinant value is 1 times 0 minus 3 times 0 minus k plus 1 times 0, which is equal to plus or minus 6. That is 3k is equal to plus or minus 6. K is equal to plus or minus 2. Question number 4. Using determinants, find the equation of the line joining the points A 1, 2 and B 3, 6. The points given are A 1, 2 and B 3, 6. So let's take a point P on this line with coordinates x, y. Now since the points A, P, B are collinear, the area formed is equal to 0. Area of triangle APB is 0. Half times the determinant of 1, 2, 1, x, y, 1, 3, 6, 1 is equal to 0. Transposing half on the other side, it becomes 0. Determinant value is 1 times y minus 6 minus 2 times x minus 3 plus 1 times 6x minus 3y is equal to 0. Y minus 6 minus 2x plus 6 plus 6x minus 3y is equal to 0. Minus 6 and plus 6 can be cancelled, leaving 4x minus 2y equal to 0. Dividing this equation by 2, we get 2x minus y is equal to 0. We can leave it here, or this can be rewritten as y is equal to 2x. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.